Hi guys, so I have some new purchases that I wanted to share with you. So first up is some Chanel Beauty. It's the bag, cute. And I wanted to re-up on the Le Beige, the water tint, the water fresh complexion kits. I just love this stuff, especially on the days I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. It is just so good, especially in the summer too, but also in the winter. It just gives you that glow. Very light. It looks like you're not wearing makeup, and it's the way it glides onto your skin is literally like water. Every time I'm wearing this, no one can tell I'm wearing makeup. And then it comes with this little brush. I don't really use this, but I just keep them because they're cute, but I don't use them. I use sometimes my hands or like a beauty blender. So yeah, I got that. And what else did I get? I don't even remember. I also got this Rouge Cocoa Gloss and Burnt Sugar. This is it. Stunning. This is a good lip gloss. I know we're all loving glosses right now. But yeah, it's good overall for bare lips or if you want to put it over something. So I just like how it's dark a little bit, but it doesn't look like nothing when you have it on bare. So there's that. And this is the Chanel Sublimage. I took it out, the packaging, but this is the Sublimage serum from Chanel. This is really good serum. It's pricey, but it's really good and it works. I think that's it, but she gave me a lot of samples. I thought I got something else, but I guess that's it to try. This is the La Base Mascara Lash Primer. These are our primers. Then she also gave me the lash mascaras. Yeah, and this is in 10 wax. Let me see, maybe I can open one. This is the primer. This is the primer. But she gave me a lot of samples because I always go there. I love Chanel Beauty. She also gave me this micro serum samples. So those two products, and then I also asked if I could get a sample of the, oh my God, the sample of the universal powder. This is what's in here and I wanted to try it. So that's Chanel. And also I got this Hermes nail polish. So this is it. This is it. It's a nice rose. It's called Rose Porcelain 01. Perfect. And I love the little box. I'm actually gonna just keep it in there. When I want to use it, I'll just take it out. And it comes in this little, it's like a box inside of a box like that. That's how it comes. So yeah, that. I also got my Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. This I've used before. I love it. It's very lightweight. I use it as a finishing oil, and I think this also has like heat protecting in there. So I really like that. Oh, this I usually get. This is the Baccarat Rouge scented body lotion. So I stopped buying the Baccarat Rouge perfume because I tend to layer it anyway since so many people wears it. So what I do now is get the lotion and like the shimmer oil, and I'll just do that and then put my perfume all over. And people still ask me, are you wearing Baccarat? Are you wearing Baccarat? So Baccarat is everywhere. So I like to get the lotion and the body serum. I like to have a signature fragrance. And I started wearing Baccarat way before it got so popular, but it's fine. I also like Gentle Fluidity from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, and Grand Soir. Grand Soir is also really good. Gentle Fluidity is good. This is the one that looks purple. That one is good too. But Gentle Fluidity, Grand Soir, amazing. So I re-upped on that. And then I got, I'm gonna open this baby up. So, and then I got, I already started using it, but this is the Moncler. I wanted to include it into this. This is the Moncler, I think it's just Moncler. Maybe for her or something, but this is one of the best vanilla fragrances you will ever have. Like, I didn't even know about Moncler fragrances until recently, and oh my goodness, like, I started wearing this and people are literally stopping me. They are stopping me to ask me what this is. Like, they've never smell something so beautiful. It's like one of my most recent, like, best complimented fragrances. Like, I can sit here and smell this all day. It's very vanilla, but it's so like different. It's vanilla, but it's so different. Like, wow, I'm so obsessed. So it's the Moncler fragrance. And then I got this. I got a robe. I'm actually gonna wear this soon. But I got this cute robe from Amazon. I can tell you guys where. Like, it is so pretty. Look at this pretty green. I recently threw out all my robes because I wanted to start a new robe collection and do like all silk robes, or like, because I had a lot of fluffy ones. I'm trying to be grown and sexy, so I wanted to start a silk robe collection. So if you know other good ones from anywhere, I used to get mine from Victoria's Secret a lot, but now I found this one from Amazon and I think it's nice. And it comes in this cute little, like, it was better, but it was packaged nicely. So yeah, that was that. And then last but not least, I got this cute little bag. It's not a name brand or anything, but I thought it was cute to do like the burgundy trend, or like to hop on that. But I just like the structure of it. Like, it's so cute. You can do it like this or like this, you know. I think it's nice. It's not like an investment bag or anything. It's like a small brand, but, and I like it. There's no logo or anything, but the leather feels soft. I like how structured it is, and I even took the paper out and it still maintains its structure, so that's why I got it. Because some cheap bags that replicate other like luxury bags, that's the problem sometimes, is that it doesn't keep its shape, but this one does. And this is the bottom too. The leather is very nice and soft, so yeah. And those are the things I got.